Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Some great programs out there at URS, and of course our bike ride this weekend helps support some of the funds out there to support URS. So let's go ahead though and check out that weather this evening. Some strong storms on the way. Heavy thunderstorms will be moving into the region. Strong winds, but also the potential for heavy rain. 85 at 7 o'clock, 73 at 9 p.m. and 73 at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow morning we'll be back to dry weather, 74 at 8 o'clock, but more thunderstorms could develop in the afternoon. Highs tomorrow a little cooler than today's high of 90 degrees. Looks like mostly mid-80s around the region with that chance for more storms. Speaking of which, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for our northern and western counties from the Dayton area until 10 o'clock this evening, but we're on the border of those, so we'll have to keep an eye out too. Severe thunderstorm warning still in effect for the eastern part of Indiana, and we'll see if that warning's extended eastward across Mercer County here in the next 10 minutes or so. Showers and thunderstorms popping up again on Thursday, but good news on Friday. It turns less humid again. And our sky definitely darkening to the west now on the Troy Stouter Center time lapse. You can see the darker sky at the end of the loop with those storms approaching from the west and starting to look a little more threatening on the SVG Chevrolet camera up in Greenville, looking to the west too. Now we're still dry here in the Dayton area, but looking northwest, that's where we have some strong storms now entering eastern Indiana. You can even see a bit of a Boeing segment right here ahead of this area east of Pennville, heading over toward the Mercer County and Indiana border. So these strong winds could be entering the western portions of Mercer County soon. More strong storms entering northwest Wayne County, and then the next concern, a strong thunderstorm moving northeastward and a series of those. And when we get this, we get what we call a training effect, and you'll notice there is a flash flood warning out from Terre Haute up to just south of Greencastle, Indiana. So if this continues to advance northeastward, we have the potential for some of that heavy rain eventually reaching western Ohio, and more storms coming in across eastern and central Illinois. So all that combination could mainly spell the potential for some very heavy rainfall, perhaps some flash flooding here late this evening. So we'll be watching for that potential too. 89 degrees currently. We have a southwest wind at 21 miles an hour. Relative humidity 53%. Our weather checkers tonight looking at some pretty warm readings. I didn't get a chance to put them in with all the severe thunderstorm warnings, but right now most of our weather checkers are up there into the 90s. We are looking at 94 for a heat index here in the Dayton area, upper 90s at Cincinnati. Future track forecast, showers, thunderstorms pushing in from the west. We'll see those around early tonight after 1 o'clock in the morning, a decreased chance of rain, and then more thunderstorms flaring up tomorrow afternoon as a cold front pushes in from the northwest. We'll keep that chance of storms going, but after that, nice weather moving in just in time for the end of the week. Tonight, showers, thunderstorms, some of those could be severe, and the potential for heavy rains tonight too. Overnight low 72. And then tomorrow a mix of clouds and sunshine. More scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. High 86 degrees, 77 at 10 o'clock, reaching that high around 2 o'clock, and then with thunderstorms around, dropping back into the low 80s. Turning less humid Friday, a high of 85, down to 62 Saturday morning, a high of 83, mostly sunny, a real nice day on Saturday. A little warmer on Sunday, a little more humid in the afternoon into the upper 80s, and then that chance of thunderstorms back early next week on Monday. So we'll keep an eye on Live Doppler 2 HD for the potential for severe storms and maybe some very heavy rainfall too.
Yep, you're on it for